Hey everyone, I hope everyone's doing great. We finally got the clutch in for this Ranger 1000. I wanted to show you there's a couple of things you'll have to do before you install the clutch, so let's jump right on that. Okay, so the new clutch came without that spring installed. So the way I do it, I loosen your 6 bolts, I loosen 3 of them off, twist them back in about 3 threads, and then I go around just giving a couple of ratchets per bolt. You leave these 3 in that way, nothing goes flying. Okay, when we get down, we've got 2 bolts left. What you want to do is you don't want to just let that thing go because we've still got another bolt on it. Keep your face clear just in case it decides to pop and something goes flying. So there's our clutch spring. You can replace these with aftermarkets, different tensions. So I'm going to put the old clutch back together. Okay, we're also going to have to swap out the weights from the old clutch to the new clutch. There's a 10 millimeter nut. This is about a 3 millimeter Allen. So take that nut off. And the one I've already tried to take out was kind of seized up. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the nuts off of them. There's 3 of them. Okay, so after you soak this in PB Blaster or whatever penetrating oil you prefer, let it set about 30-45 minutes, then we'll come back and we'll put some heat on it for a few minutes. Just put it up there on the weight. Flip this over to the threaded side. Take you a block of 2x4 or something, block it up. What I've been using is this punch that I use with my hydraulic press. We're going to drive it down from the threaded side as far as we can get it. We'll flip it over, drive it back, and then drive it back from the threaded side. And then once we get it flush that time, we're going to use a 5/32 punch. We'll drive it the rest of the way through. Again, it shouldn't be this hard. These are rusted up on this bolt. So there we have the 3 weights that were in the old clutch. I need to take these and clean them up a little bit. I'm going to try some brake cleaner and a small brush I have, see if I can clean that up in there a little bit. To install the weights on the new clutch, you'll loosen this. It's either 10 millimeter or 3/8. nut, you'll remove the bolt. I'll install the weight with the notch towards the inside, what will be the inside. If you got the clutch position this way, it drops right there. Have the bolt through like so, then you'll replace that nut. Okay, we got all three weights installed. Now we'll install the clutch spring. Move that out of the way. Okay, so the new clutch, 6 bolts, no spring. So we'll just go take those out. Now on this one, once we get them all broken loose, we're going to cheat. There's an X on this, and there's an X on the cover. We're going to put it back together in the exact position that it came apart. So we put that spring in, make sure our X's are lined up. Go ahead and drop a couple of these in here. Okay. And we're going to tighten these down. Just a few turns at a time. Essentially down good on it for me. You don't have other thin bolts in? Snap those. Okay, looks like everything is flush, contacted. Okay, I had to wait for the compressor to shut off. Once you got the secondary on, the primer hit through the belt. Edwards, we doing it. Finger cutting. Use a low torque setting. We'll put the cover on the airbox and we'll go out and test drive. Okay, so we're going to go for a test drive. As you can see, it's in neutral. We'll go up. There's low. No movement. There's high. No movement. Neutral. Reverse. Park. Reverse. Neutral. Low. That's clutch replacement start to finish. I hope you liked that video. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.